guys? Gotta go fishing. So we got some squid, little frozen squid, and some shrimp. We got a shrimp shack. In the shack. Oh.
Yeah. From your local bait shop. Nice little song. How big a fish you trying to catch today?
Shrimp is the biggest one in the water.
Just a little guy.
A little guy.
Little one.
Yeah, man. Little guy, man. Yeah, man.
Let's go catch some fish. Yeah?
Grab that mother. Oh my god. Big everywhere, anywhere else, bro. Alright.
Y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We're off.
Oh, we busting, bro. Shit.
There's plenty of people fishing right there.
Alright, so what we got right here? We got our sabiki rig. Basically. It's just a string. Catch my finger. String a little motherfuckers. That's what they like.
Closer to the pylon, you can scrape the sheep.
Yeah, scrape some barnacles.
Yeah. Fish on.
Nice croaker.
Decent one.
What is it? Following a little croaker.
It's a bigger one.
Oh, look at that, boys.
Yeah, go ahead. Try to spin him around.
Wow. Wow. That's a big one. Look
get him beside us.
Oh yeah. They're fighting.
Oh, there we go. Get the out of that hook. He was barely hooked, Joe. I put that big piece of squid on there.
Hey, that was a decent one right there.
He's gone. Guys, we got a lot of fish today. You know, not the ones we were really searching for, but still hooked up a lot. Got a couple stingrays. So yeah, we got something to take home. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video.